how I get sales on my business with $0. First thing you want to do is download a completely free app on Shopify called Map. It will install an affiliate program page on your website. People can then come onto this page, fill out their information, and get their unique link to start earning 20% commission on every sale they bring in for you. Take it even one step further, you can open up a TikTok page and advertise your affiliate program. With videos on TikTok, they can go viral fast, and so many people are looking for ways to make money, they'll probably join your affiliate program and start making money as they bring you in sales. This method is super untapped, but I guarantee if you do it right, it'll make you a lot of money with $0. Start now.
From home job. If you're shy and don't like talking to people, this will be perfect for you. First, what you want to do is go to rev.com. And as you can see on the website, you can earn $1.25 per minute doing transcription, $1.25 per minute doing captions, and if you're bilingual, you can earn $3 to $7 per minute. Once you're on the rev.com page, what you want to go ahead and do is scroll all the way down, and you get to this section here, and you want to go ahead and click on freelancers. From there, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this where you can sign up. And as you can see, you can create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, and you'll get paid weekly. Go ahead and follow, like, and share for more. If you want to see how I make a full-time income online, click the link in my bio. Here are 5 simple ways to make free money online with Swagbucks, a get paid to site that pays you to complete online tasks. Step 1. Register. When you register with Swagbucks, you're automatically given up to a $10 sign-up bonus. Keep in mind that this bonus may differ depending on your location. And don't forget to confirm your email address once you complete registration. Step 2. Watch videos. The great thing about watching videos online with Swagbucks is that you don't have to click a play button in order to go to the next video. You can just set it and forget it and continue to make money. Step 3. Surf the web. Swagbucks will pay you for things that you're already searching for. Step 4. Play games. Playing games is a great way to pass the time and make money at the same time. Step 5. Answer surveys. While surveys won't make you rich, I usually find that I can make around $5 for 30 to 40 minutes of my time. Once you earn enough points, you can cash out for a free gift card or PayPal cash. Click the link in my profile to sign up for Swagbucks now.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get it.
Uzumaki.